Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
And now,
Mahalo.
the classic sound of the Islanders.
We are the Islanders. On the bass, we have Mr. Benny Kalama. On the guitar, we have Sonny Kamahele. And yours truly, on the steel guitar, Alan Akaka. Aloha! I'm going to Maui tomorrow, married to Mary Malone. Nothing could be finer than to be in Lahaina, to make Tamara my own. I'm smile on the Isle of the Valley and live a life of delight. I'm going to Maui, marry tomorrow, unless I get lucky tonight. Tomorrow, married to Mary Malone. Nothing could be finer than to be in Lahaina, to make Tamara my own. I'm smile on the Isle of the Valley and live a life of disgust. I'm going to Maui, marry tomorrow, unless I get a Maui girl tonight.
I love a pretty Maui girl. She lives at Waikaboo, with rosy cheeks and pearly teeth and and lovely nut brown hair. Her waist is oh so slender, her upper too much, and but of all the Vahinis I ever did aloha, sweet Mariah is them all. My love for you, to you know, your love for me, to baby, don't tell mama, she'll tell papa, and we'll be here with me now. I give you my all way. I give you my holly, yeah. I'm my all way. I'm my holly, yeah. Don't tell mama, she'll tell papa, and we'll be here with me now. My love for you, don't you know, your love for me, don't tell mama, she'll tell papa, and we'll be here with me now. To give you my all way, I give you my yeah. I'm here to I'm my all way, I'm my yeah. Don't tell mama, she'll tell papa, wrap him up, and we'll be here with me now. And we'll be here with me now.
My Lord.
Island music, island hearts. We'll be right back.